Hey, it's me again. Fixing to go across this big bridge. Look at the bridge. This one over there, one over there. Another yellow one over there. This is leaving Louisville, Kentucky. Yeah, it's quite a bridge here. Quite a big one. I don't remember where downtown was. Yeah, quite some bridges, huh? Hey, morning, Lance. It is Monday, almost the 20th, maybe somewhere around there. But coming through Indianapolis here, man. You got a really pretty downtown here. You got some green lights going on. Not sure what they are. Oh, they're Christmas lights. You got the downtown area. Looks really cool. It's a pretty big city here, Indianapolis. Might be the second time I drove through, but first time I really drove through in the daytime and checked it out, you know.
In 1.5 miles, keep left on I-65, then keep right.
Yeah, they got some pretty cool downtown here. I guess I'm gonna go through the heart of it. Twisty turns right here too, though. There's the downtown area right there. Quite a bit of skyscrapers there. Alright, that's it. It's like 6 in the morning here, so you know the light's not out yet. See ya. Hello, hello, hello. Sunday morning. Driving. A little snowy out there. That's the snowfall. Snowfall on the ground there. But if I wasn't mistaken, I swear it looks like that thing is burning up. Here, hold on. Look at that smoke. Looks like something's burning up, huh? There's a lot of smoke coming up there. I'm not sure what it is, but I traveled down this road a few times. I never seen that before. It's like a massive. Oh, it's a factory. I see it now. Well, it sure is smoking, huh? There's a lot of smoke coming up. That's what Biden wants to do away with. Them factories right there. He wants everything solar panel. Yeah, what about right now when there's no sun out? How are you going to get electricity? I don't know if that's the factory he's talking about. Yeah, just a lot of smoke right there. Alrighty. Just wanted to update y'all, let you see that. I got some rest last night. Probably use a little more, but I guess we're going to come right by that factory. Semi-truck in front of me, man, he just made me mad. I was going faster than him, so he passed me just to get in front of me. And he's just staying right in front of me. He just wanted to pass me, I guess. He ain't going no faster than I am. See if we can get a look at that factory. Hello, how we doing there? I am in, I really don't know, but to race me, man. I'm in a beast right